A quick video on this Cigman measure. This is the CD80T. So it comes in a carrying case, which is really nice because you don't want to break these things. It comes with a USB-C charger and it comes with a lanyard right there inside this little neat case. This is the guy right here. It's got a nice clear screen. That's one thing I noticed. And it's also very small, which I like. It's not huge. This is basically a laser measure. So if you put this on something, it'll tell you the distance between it and the device. You can have it set the distance from here and measure to wherever you're measuring to, where the laser is, or here and measure. It's all really simple within the app. Oh, I'm sorry, within the actual device here. The laser is very easy to see. It shines. There's a couple different modes. There is just this single measurement mode. So you can see if I just put it here and I click the button, it just tells me what the distance is. Inside the book, you have different settings, and you just basically click through the settings. And I think the easier way, instead of trying to show you, is with the actual tool, is just to kind of explain them. So you have the continuous mode, like I showed you. You put it somewhere, it tells you. You have an area where you can measure, the length and the width of the room, and it tells you the area of the room. You can get volume, so you can then go measure from one side, one room, the other side, and then to the ceiling, and it'll give you the actual volume of the room. I don't know why you would need that, unless you're maybe filling a room up with water, maybe filling a pool, and the Pythagorean theorem as well. You can do that as well. Very clearly explained inside the book. Just a really neat little device. It's also kind of got a rubbery sort of feel to it, so it's grippy, and when it falls, it doesn't feel like it's going to break. So if you see it like that, you just dropped it and it's completely fine. So pretty durable little guy, and also like that it's orange. So I have other ones that are like black and you lose them. You don't see them. This is nice because it's orange and you see it. I like bright tools. These guys did a cool thing. Feels really good, feels premium in your hand. I like it.